Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down a fascinating idea, that is how AI can build its own deep learning engine. This may sound like science fiction, but it's actually based on the real concepts in machine learning. So let's explain this in simple terms. First of all, let's just clarify something important. AI doesn't magically decide to build itself. Instead, the researchers design the system where AI is going to help optimize, design, or improve other AI models. So, this process is often called AutoML, short for Automated Machine Learning. Now, the first step is defining the goal in it. So, engineers tell the AI what kind of model needs to be built. For example, image recognition or text prediction or speech processing. After that, in the step 2, there is architecture research. So instead of the humans manually designing the neural networks, AI explores thousands of possible model structures. It tests different layers, connections, and parameters. You can think of it like AI experimenting with different brain designs. In the next step, they are going to basically do the training and evaluations. So the AI trains the candidate models on the database, measure the performance, and keep improving the designs based on the results. The poor performing models are discarded, better ones are refined. In the fourth step, what they do is they optimize. So AI system can just simply tune to the hyperparameters. So these are the things like the rates, the weights, configurations, much faster than humans. So this is where AI builds a more efficient deep learning engine. The key idea here is human create the framework and AI is going to basically accelerate the design and improvement process. Instead of replacing the engineers, AI becomes a powerful model building assistant. So this approach is already used in the advanced research where AI design neural networks that humans might never manually create. So if this video helped you understand how AI can build its own deep learning engines, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.